Ever find yourself not able to read the menu without squinting? Or not able to recognize faces on the TV even after leaning closer? You're definitely not the only one. Many people don't notice that their vision is not staying the same. It starts not with sudden blindness, but with tiny changes, not quite as clear when reading, not as confident driving at night, and not catching the little moments like a loved one's smile. This is not just getting older. It's your body saying it's not getting the support it needs. Once eyesight is not sharp, independence is not as easy to keep. Vision loss is not loud, but it slowly takes away confidence, joy, and the clear view of life. But vision trouble is not unbeatable. You don't need expensive treatments or complicated routines. Some of the most powerful nutrients for your eyes are not hidden away, they're already in foods you don't have to search hard for. In this video, I'm not skipping over the 5 best foods that don't fail to help protect eyesight. First, carrots. Your eyes don't work properly without vitamin A, and carrots are not short on it. Night blindness is not rare when vitamin A is missing. If you don't want menus in dim restaurants to be unreadable, carrots are not a bad idea. Roast them, blend them, toss them in soups, they're not difficult to add to meals. Next, spinach. Your eyes don't make lutein or zeaxanthin on their own, and spinach is not lacking in either. Without them, harmful blue light from screens and sunlight is not filtered properly, and your retina is not as safe from damage. Skipping spinach is not a smart choice if you care about your sight. From the ocean, salmon. Dry, irritated eyes are not uncommon as you age, and omega-3s from salmon are not useless for that. They don't just help with moisture, they also make macular degeneration less likely. Eating salmon twice a week is not complicated, and cooking it well is not a difficult skill to learn. Eggs come next. Skipping the yolk is not helping your eyes, because that's where lutein and zeaxanthin hide. Eggs are not only protein, they're also a compact source of vision-protecting nutrients that your body doesn't absorb as easily from many vegetables. Finally, blueberries. Free radicals don't stop attacking your eyes, but blueberries don't sit back and let that happen. Their anthocyanins help keep retinal damage less likely, and they don't make it hard to enjoy them, fresh or frozen. You don't need to flip your whole kitchen routine to help your eyes. Breakfast without spinach, eggs, or blueberries is not giving your eyes the best start. Skipping salmon, carrots, or leafy greens at lunch or dinner is not helping either. Even 2 or 3 of these foods each week is not too little to matter. Your eyes have not been useless all these years. Now is not the time to ignore them. Vision loss is not your only option, feeding your eyes the right nutrients is not impossible. Carrots, spinach, salmon, eggs, blueberries, 5 foods you should not overlook if you want to keep the world clear in your sight.